Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face or how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set a custom image on this watch or custom watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon to open the devices page, and here you should see your HUAWEI Watch GT 5 on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. Once you see the device page for your HUAWEI watch, scroll down and find the option called My Faces. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll through the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and you should see the one called Gallery. Select it. Now scroll down. You should see the category called Images, and under it there should be this big plus button. Tap on it, and we have two options: take a photo or select from gallery. If you select take a photo, it will open the camera application. You can take a photo and use it as a watch face. And if you select the second option, select from gallery, it will open the file manager or photo application, and basically you can select the photo from your phone. I'm gonna use the second option, so I'm gonna tap on select from gallery, allow the permission, select preferred app, and now we can browse the albums. I'm gonna open the pictures, and here let's select one of the pictures, for example this one. Now we need to crop the image because the whole image won't fit on a watch face. We can zoom in, zoom out, and move left and right. So select the part of the picture you like and tap on the check mark. We have a preview of our watch face right here. You can also add more images because you can have multiple ones. So if we tap on select gallery, select the app, and select the image, crop it a little, tap the check mark. Now we have two images. You can also select the color of the, I would call it basically a tint or filter on your watch face. And you can also select the style of the clock. You can also change the font of the clock, time position, and also the time color. So there's quite customization options, quite few customization options. Another thing you can change is the features. So basically you can add the widgets. So we can add the, for example, let's say battery life on the first one. Second one, maybe sleep, like this. And you can also enable the option to rise to display new image. So basically if you raise your hand to wake up the screen on your watch, it will cycle between the images if you enable this option. And once you're done customizing your watch face, tap on apply. And here we have our watch faces. Of course, if you have multiple ones added, you can tap on the current watch face to cycle between them, like that. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the HUAWEI Health application. And that's how you set an image or set a custom watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.